Navigating and selecting the perfect auction on a platform can be daunting, especially with an array of choices. Here's a structured guide to help you discover auctions that align with your interests and preferences on MetaBid. Start with your dashboard. Upon logging in, check the recommended and latest auctions sections on your dashboard. These sections are tailored to provide quick insights into trending and potentially interesting auctions for you. Explore the Auctions tab. Navigate to the Auctions tab on the platform. Here you can scroll through various auctions manually to see what catches your eye. Harness the power of filters. The platform offers an intuitive filter system to aid in your search. Sort auctions by price, name, or date. Added to reorder the listings based on your priority. Further refine your exploration by selecting specific types or categories of auctions. Utilize the search bar. If you have a particular item or auction in mind, directly enter keywords into the search bar for faster results. Decoding the grid view. Understanding the grid view will significantly improve your browsing experience. Item display. Each grid showcases the name and image of the item. Price indicators. You can view the starting price if the auction hasn't begun, or the current bid price if it's ongoing. Retail price. This provides an indication of the item's fair market value. Status and bidders. Quickly determine if the auction is in progress, when it will commence, or if it has ended. You can also view the current highest bidder or identify the winner if the auction has concluded. Dive deeper. Clicking on any auction will expand all the intricate details. This deeper view provides comprehensive information to help you determine if the auction aligns with your preferences. Stay updated. Regularly revisit the platform as new auctions are added frequently. Being updated increases your chances of spotting an auction that's perfect for you. Finding the right auction can be as thrilling as winning one. With this guide in hand, streamline your MetaBid journey and get one step closer to securing an item you truly desire. Remember, auctions are not just about winning, but enjoying the exhilarating process. Happy bidding!